Wage and hour claims, ladies and gentlemen, last year in 2024, there were over 16,000 wage claims filed in the state of California. These are civil claims, these are claims in front of the California Labor Commissioner's office, and these are administrative actions that can be filed through other smaller agencies within other counties and regional matters. So, what does that mean? Well, 16,000 cases sounds like a lot, doesn't it? Well, when you compound that with 8,400 of those 16,000 cases being filed as class action or PAGA cases, it becomes even scarier. Why is that an important thing? Class actions only require one person to come forward and say, I incurred a loss. I was not paid properly with my wages. I did not get a meal period as I was scheduled to get under the law. I did not get my pay stubs on time. And they allege a violation and then bring it on not just their own behalf, but any and every non-exempt employee who has worked for you for the last 4 years. Tack on the fact that the legislature in California added another component that is kind of we'll call it a semi-class action lawsuit known as PAGA, Private Attorneys General Act. This is an act that was passed in 2004, really became hot in 2012, all the way up through COVID. And right now is this lower bar of class actions where the employee who brings forward a claim has to allege that they incurred one violation, but they can bring claims on behalf of other employees that they didn't even incur those specific violations for. PAGA has become the scourge of many employers' day-to-day lives because one of these lawsuits can be a bet the company type case. We're talking 7-figure settlements are very regular in class and PAGA settlements. And unfortunately, most businesses, while you try very, very hard to comply with the law, you're not perfect. And if you're not perfect, there's exposure. If there is exposure, the cases are getting expensive. So the reason we start with wage and hour is because this is the biggest area that your business has to be worried about right now in way of liability and obligation. And really, it's the easiest of the areas for you to fix. Knowledge, a little bit of knowledge and a little bit of application of that knowledge to your business can go a long way at preventing litigation.